this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your SoundPEATS A4 Pro with your Macbook, Macbook Pro, iMac, whatever device you want to connect. So first of all, we have to take this off from the bottom. There we go. We take this out from here. So normally when you open this device, you see that in your computer and your phone it will appear. In some cases if it doesn't appear at the bottom, you have a button. See here, one button. So you have to open and hold the button till you see blinking light. Let's see. See the blinking light white. So we'll go to our computer. Let's see. Okay, we are in our computer. Now we hit Bluetooth option in your iMac, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, whatever. Click this one. Go to Bluetooth, open Bluetooth preferences because it's a new device. Here you have to see this. The new device should be available there. If not, then you have to hit the button and you see here SoundPEATS Air 4 Pro. I hit for connect. The device is connected. So I'll open Google Chrome. Go to YouTube. Is working properly. So this is the way you can connect your SoundPEATS Air 4 with iMac, MacBook Pro, any version of Apple computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.